I'll show you how you can pay with a Chick-fil-A gift card on the app. Now you can see right now I'm on the app like this, right? Now if you want to pay with a gift card on the app, all you have to do is click on the scan button here to scan the gift card itself, right? Now, right now my interface looks like this because I haven't logged in yet, but don't worry, if you have logged in, the interface will look very different and you'll be able to scan the gift card just like that. Of course, the gift card might have different formats. It might be a code, it might be a QR code. Now, just adjust it based on what kind of gift card do you have. I think there is a method to apply for a gift card or to use a gift card on the web version of the app as well. But of course, we're talking about the app here. So of course, just again, click on the scan button here to scan your QR code, and then it'll take that gift card balance and then it'll put it on your account, and then you can use that gift card balance to buy food, and of course with Chick-fil-A. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.